Christmas, everyone. And at least for me, today is the last day before winter break. And to celebrate the biggest holiday of the entire year, Christmas, I am doing a slightly longer video on multiple Christmas traditions and their histories. With all that said, let's get started. Let's start with the symbol of Christmas himself, Santa Claus. Around the 3rd century, the real St. Nicholas, who was a Greek saint, was actually alive. Much later, the Dutch brought the legend of St. Nicholas, including the tradition of St. Nicholas having a feast and giving presents and candy to children. The Dutch brought this legend all the way across the sea to New Amsterdam, now known as New York. However, the famous red-suited, white-bearded Santa we know today was created by the cartoonist Thomas Nast in 1863. However, he took inspiration from Santa's appearance in the poem "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," written in 1823. This poem also introduced his famous line, "Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Dancer and Blitzen." Santa's image was defined even more by Coca-Cola ads in 1933, made by Haddon Sundblom. Next is the history of the Christmas tree. A long time before Christianity started, evergreen plants, or plants that are green year-round, were very special. In fact, many ancient people hung evergreen boughs over their doors and windows. These were thought to protect from evil. The ancient Romans had a festival called Saturnalia in honor of Saturn, the Roman god of agriculture, known as Demeter in Greek mythology. The Romans celebrated this during winter because they knew that soon their fields would be filled with crops. They hung evergreen boughs to celebrate just like the people before them. The Christmas tree tradition started in Germany during the 16th century. A man named Martin Luther is credited with being the first person to ever put candles on an evergreen tree, meaning that he invented the Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video was really interesting, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Please check out Crafty Cabbage. He's my friend's channel, and he does really cool DIY YouTube videos. Please check out my second YouTube channel, Quickle Pickle, and as of me recording this, I have uploaded a video called "How to Get Tons of Subscribers on YouTube," or something along the lines of that. I hope you really enjoyed this video. See you next time on Quickle Pickle. Goodbye!